love this channel.
It's okay. Too many reruns. Any big plans this weekend?
Not really.
Cool. Oh, hey, I was thinking about picking up a new book. Any good suggestions?
I haven't really read anything lately. Anyway, hang in there.
Did you know Dominic's book is about to come out?
Yeah, I might go to a signing tomorrow night, if I finish the chapter I'm writing in my novel.
Oh. Why'd he invite you?
It's a public event, not like an invitation thing. Anyone who wants to hear about Daft Punk is welcome. Or anyone who wants to meet hot indie rock chicks who read.